because by the time you, who's getting the car, sir. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's feeling blessed. My name is Juan, also known as the Christian Barber. Good morning, everyone. Today, it's kind of early. It's a little chilly. The weather's not the greatest. But today we have a few things in store. We got a trunk full of stuff. Well, the rims I got to return because they were way too big. We have the shocks and the springs, and we got some work. And we're headed to, you know who, PAPI tires. That's where we're going right now. Also, if you guys remember that the key fob didn't work, I changed the batteries and they work now. They work great. The door's open. I don't need to worry about that keyhole there. I might mess with it, but the fact that the two fobs work and they just need the batteries, I think we'll be all right. And then that door works fine, and the other door works fine. It's just this door that's a little bit of an annoyance. But yeah. We're gonna head over to PAPI Tires, and I think, like I said, we're gonna do the shocks, the 2-inch lift kit. So I switched it up a little. Got some different rims. So those were delivered to PAPI Tires, but I don't know the tires. The tires, they said they're gonna be delivered today. So hopefully, God willing, they get delivered while we're there. So that way we can mount everything up, and then we could kind of do everything. Oh, and I got lug nuts and everything. So yeah, we're gonna head over there. I'll see y'all there. Peace. Well, not peace, because it's like, it's not bye. It's see you later. Whatever, man. It's just too early. So I'd like to address those who are new to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. But to keep you guys updated, for those who are new to the channel, I bought a 2005 Honda CRV that I am completely overhauling, repairing, fixing anything that's wrong with it. So far, what I've done, did practically the full suspension, almost. We did the control arms, all the bushings. We changed the brakes and the rotors, and I think that's it so far. Oh, and I put batteries in the key fobs. You know, you can't get in the car without the key fobs. But yeah, so I'm overhauling the car, also giving it a little touch of my own. I want to make it look okay, and I'm gonna give it away to somebody I believe deserves it. I just want to do a good deed for someone. And the one question that I keep getting that is crazy, because if people look at me with this bizarre look, everybody's like, why are you doing this? Like, why are you spending this money? And honestly, it's because I believe God put it in my heart, and I want to do a good deed for somebody who I believe deserves it. And that is my goal, to just continue to do good deeds. But at the same time, I try my best and as much as I can to stay connected to God, so God can guide my steps, and God can give me the person in mind or the idea that I may walk in his will and do his will, that I hope and I believe that it is. You know, I want to be and try to be the hands and feet of Jesus, and just help those in need, just those around you. I've mentioned it before. I do not do this to boast. I do not do this to show off. I do not do this for views, because if you know me, I do things like this. I'm just that type of guy. I don't want to just say I'm that type of guy. I believe God put that in my heart, and God made me that person. God's blessed me with that heart. So yeah, like that's my goal, is to just do good deeds, and we're going to do random things. And like in my last series, you know, we took the car from someone and we overhauled the car that belonged to someone, and they had no idea. So I do all these things in hope that you guys are inspired to do your own. Each and every one of us has a community around us, but sometimes it's not only money, you know, like you don't have to give people money. You know, if you have a talent that you're good at, you know, offer that talent to somebody around you who can use it for free. You know, it's not going to cost you nothing. It's a talent you already have. I'm a barber, and I try to do free haircuts when I can, or whenever an opportunity presents itself, I go and I try to do free haircuts, you know, like it doesn't cost me nothing. But yeah, let's get back to PAPI. Got some empanadas from the Colombian spot. Every time I come over here, hook up the boys with some empanadas, some coffee, you know. Happy worker gives you good work. What's up, guys? So we're here. We're about to get work done to the car. All right, it's about to get lifted up. We took the shocks out, getting everything ready. But man, yo, the rims that I switched up for look way better, and they look way better in person than they did in the pictures. And it has a word on the rim that just touches my heart. So I can't wait to show you guys. You guys, like, you don't understand how excited I am. Like I had to package the old rims. They're all right there. I had to put in return labels inside and whatever. So while I was waiting, you know, I bought the guy some empanadas and stuff. And while he was enjoying his coffee and his pan de bono, I was preparing all the return labels and stuff. And before I started, I opened one of the rims that I ordered now, the new ones, yo, I wish you guys could feel the feeling that I feel. The rim looks amazing. It looks so good. And even the guy, older dude, I guess, you know, he's probably not into rims like that, but when I opened it, he was like, wow, that looks nice. And I was just like, word, bruh, word. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. I really hope, I really do hope the tires show up while we're doing the work, because the rims are here, but the tires are not. So I really hope the tires show up while we're here so I can show you the finished product. But I'm gonna give you a quick walk around. Before we get started, give you a before and after. Quick before. It looks regular. It's in there. The magic is in that box. And those boxes right there in that box. That's where the magic's at. But yeah. Number one. So it's the next day here. Sorry I couldn't film the after of the shocks being installed and the lift kit and everything. We finished kind of late. I had to do life things, you know, wifey wanted me to go to the supermarket, and I had some, you know, I had to return the rims that I had in the back. I had some running around to do, so I had to run home. But, and I wasn't able to give you guys a look. Tires didn't come yesterday, but the tires were delivered a few minutes ago. I got an email, they got delivered. So I'm running to PAPI Tires because at the same time, I have to go to work and I'm pressed for time. But we're on the way, and hopefully we can get the tires mounted and balanced and aligned and everything. And hopefully I can give you guys a final look of what the car is gonna look like wheel-wise. But yeah, I'm on a rush. You know, I got adrenaline running. I'm nervous. I'm all kinds of things because I gotta be at work at a certain time, and I want these guys to finish. And I really hope I get there and nobody's working. I hope they're all sitting on their butts so they can receive me with open arms and do this job for me. And yeah, we'll see you at the tire spot. You already know whose tire spot. So we made it here. We're here at PAPI Tires. But now you guys get to look at the car real quick before it gets lifted up. 2-inch kit. Just in case, I'm gonna show you guys the wheel. Look at that. Tires. Someone off-road looking, right? Yeah, and the word vision. His vision. be honest with you, I'm not crazy about the front. I feel like the front's a little too high. Maybe like an inch or an inch and a half. Maybe change the lift kit. But yeah, I love the way it looks. I love the way the back sits. The back sits perfect. It's the front that bothers me a little bit. But we can fix that, I think, hopefully. But check it out. I'm sure when the headlights get put on, line up the grill, clean up the trim, get it compounded, bro, that car is gonna look sick. They're gonna do an alignment, but he's gonna give it a test run real quick. It fits better. After he took it for a spin, the front looks like it sat a little bit. Now I feel a little better. Still a little bit higher, but it looks pretty cool still. I think I'm all right. So I just wanted to make a quick video real quick, side note, because by the time you, who's getting the car, sir, you're gonna be the one editing this series and doing the work here. And I just want to say that I hope you enjoy this gift. I'm doing this out of love, and I believe God placed it in my heart to bless you. And you will be editing this, and I hope that you enjoy everything, and I hope that you put extra amazing editing skills into it, because it's your car. By this time, it's gonna be yours. You're gonna see what happened in the process of getting you this gift. And God has placed this in my heart a long time ago, a while ago. You came to mind when I thought about this, starting this channel. I thought about you first. You were the first idea. Things changed up, so your car wasn't the first series, but I think this is even more of a blessing. Like, I believe this car is going to be a blessing to you and your wife, to your family, and hopefully a car you can have for a few years. And you know, it's a Honda, it's going to be reliable, and we buddies. So you have any issues with the car, I'm right here. You can ask me and I can help you get it fixed. But yeah, you know, I hope you enjoy your gift and just enjoy this all these videos. Like, take it all in and just, yeah, like, I don't know what to say, man. I just want to let you know that I love you, bro. I appreciate you, man. You know, I really believe in you, man. You have some amazing talent, and God's gonna take you somewhere. I don't know where, but it's gonna be somewhere you're not gonna expect. It's not gonna be somewhere that you're not thinking of. But yeah, hope you enjoy. God bless you, man. I love you, bro. I really do. I'm trying to show you this right now. I'm trying to show you this, bro. But yeah, enjoy, man. So what's the damage, sir? You sure?
We did your mounting, your balancing, and your height.
And then the valves.
And the valves.
You sure?
It's on
who?
It's on
who? It's on who's Papi's tire. That's who it is on. Yo, guys, you guys got to come check out who's Papi Tires. Come see this guy if he's here. If not, talk to one of the guys that are going to hook you up. Thank you for watching. We'll check in a bit. So guys, it's been, oh my God, it's been like a few days now. Life just comes and grabs you by the horns and just drags you. But I want to finish this video off with showing you guys the final look with the rims and tires. Not the final look of the car. We got a few more goodies coming, but just wanted to show you what the car looks like now. Fresh rims. The height, I feel like I'm a little annoyed. Like, I feel like the left side is a little bit higher than the right side. But I don't know, I might leave it alone. I'm gonna measure. If it's a big difference, then I'm gonna try to lower it a little. But yeah, this is what it looks like all around. All right. Put the rims and tires. Looks pretty cool, man. Like, I love how the tires stick out a little. Right, they got the little stick out. But yeah, we have a few more things in store for this car. A few more goodies, and I don't want to say everything because then I'll spoil all the fun. Please stay tuned to this series. We got something good coming. And I got one more. I had to go last night because FedEx, I guess, they said they delivered it, but they didn't. Got one more. All right, you know where this one's going? Right there. Ooh, this is gonna look sick. Hey. That's gonna look cool. And like always, I say, his vision. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because we have more goodies for this car. I ordered some more stuff yesterday. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate all you guys to just comment down below, whatever it is. Tell me something good, tell me something nice. Even if you want to tell me something bad, I don't mind. Just comment down below. Please like, please subscribe, please share, please help spread this channel. It's for a good deed. Just trying to motivate, encourage, and bless people on the way. Thank you guys. Take care. Me and my wife are headed to Washington, D.C. for a few days. So, yeah, I check you guys out. Peace out. Peace. Take care. Bye. We out. This week was tough. Nice.